Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft out here with another video. We're gonna be heading to Ruiz Customs once again. We're gonna be doing a little update video of what's been done to the truck so far, what still needs to be done. I'm also gonna be dropping off this little bracket I bought, trans cooler bracket. It just makes everything look more clean. Because the brackets I'm using right now are just like generic, just brackets. I'll post a picture of what it looks like now and what it's gonna look like with the bracket. That way you guys can get a little mentality of why I bought it and why it looks different. Because I mean, I didn't need it. It's just more for like to make the whole engine bay setup look clean. It's the little things that count, you know. You're not always gonna see it, but I'm always gonna be thinking about it and knowing it looks a certain way. And I just want to, you know, start making my truck more of a show truck. So obviously the little things that I can change to make the truck look cleaner. And we're also gonna be getting some headlights for the truck maybe pretty soon here. Still don't know about that, but yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get to Ruiz Customs. If you know anybody with the HD hood with the cow hood like this, hit me up. I want this hood. This one's fully backed, man, huh?
Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that though.
Why? It's because they do it like that, so when you air out, you don't get no negative camber. Because yours, you're just gonna do the drop key you have on right now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna use the TJM one.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna end up doing too.
They're telling me to get the. You lift it or what?
Right? What air management are you using?
Honestly, I don't even know.
Because I got Pinky's old one.
What brand was that?
I have no idea. But the new one he got is pretty sick. The fucking controller from the phone and shit. Show off. Damn, these are my tubs. Huh?
These are the new ones you got?
Yeah, these are the new ones. Think.
Wait, why'd you swap them?
Because I'm gonna flush the firewall and then I'm gonna redo like a design right here, like do some dimple ties.
Okay.
You know how everyone does them up here?
Yeah.
We're gonna do like a sheet of metal going across and then like do them like,
On the inside?
yeah, on the inside. More pieces to the puzzle. We also got a new fuel gauge. Oh, that's gonna look pretty sick. What do you guys think? I'm thinking about building a box to go right here. Kind of small. Cause I don't want to get rid of the third seat just in case anybody needs it. Like, but I'm always wanted like a console. So I was thinking about like building like a wooden box to cover up this gap and make it look like a console, kind of like continuing from here up, or maybe from here to here, or from here to here. And then maybe in the future putting some speakers on the box. And then we can put like cup holders, or like this fuel gauge, we can put it on the box. This is the fuel gauge because I'm gonna be doing a fuel cell. Unless we have it right here on the pillar. But what do you guys think? Should I make a little box to cover up this gap? Or I can run the in there. I don't know, let me guys know what you guys think. I think the box idea would be cool. You know, maybe make a little thing for a tablet or something. Damn, I miss this fucking truck though. So I think what I'm gonna do with my fuel cell is hide it under the bed, guys. Put the fuel cell in the bed, and then I'm gonna be relocating my battery. So the battery is no longer gonna go in the front because there's not gonna be enough room. So we got some brackets to either do it from one of the sides here or from the back. And then since I'm doing a fuel cell, we're thinking, instead of shaving the gas cap like the homie Pinky did right here, we're gonna be using that as a opening to the positive negative for the battery terminals. So whenever I want to jump start the truck, I can jump start it from there. Since the battery is gonna be hidden anyways, I'm not gonna have nowhere to really jump start the truck. So by having terminals kind of pop right here, we'll be able to use the gas cap opening for that, if that makes sense. So it's not gonna be for gas no more, it's gonna be for jump starting trucks. And then Ruiz said he's gonna two-tone this beast. Damn, check out these tub works. 2 batteries coming out from the side, that's pretty sick. Big ass tanks right there. that this is gonna be a two-tone. Make sure to follow High Owl for your updates on that. Now we still got Tulo over here. Still waiting for his powder coated parts to come in. He recently shaved his gas cap, which I was thinking about doing that to mine, but like I said, I can't just weld my gas cap shut because my bed is fiberglass. So I was gonna probably like put fiberglass and Bondo it, but me and Reese came out with the idea where just have the terminals be there instead. And then we got the boy Henry over here with this truck getting worked on, gonna get painted too. New bumper, I guess. That'd be sick. Damn, what the fuck you guys building over here? Whole part?
The water, the engine, a ver si crece.
No way. Mapping?
What kind of car is it?
No. Looks old.
Don't want the hot pink.
Hot pink?
Got two guys right there.
You got two guys right there. Promise you, they're not always high.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. I'm back home. We saw a couple of stuff that got done to the truck. I will be going back Thursday to start doing all the little shit that I can do to it, just to make the process a little bit faster. I'm also going to be installing some headlights pretty soon on the homie Marco's truck, so stay tuned for that video. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Keep checking out the new videos that are coming up, because the truck's just going to be getting better and better. And catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Perfect.